Aloha, this is Bonny Meyer with DiVine Conversations. I'm here with Cindy and Kelly. And today, Cindy is going to teach us how to make Ti Leaf Lei. So come along with us and you can see how it's done.
Okay, 2, and I'm getting different sizes. Okay, so here's 3 tea leaf, and you can see one has a little blemish on the edges. We're just going to trim those off, and follow me. It's found, I think, throughout Polynesia, the tea plant. And in fact, I haven't been able to track this down, but since there's no T in the Hawaiian alphabet, it is, in Hawaiian it would be ki, but no one would know that. And so I'm thinking that tea was just so well established in Tahiti and Tonga and all throughout Micronesia and Polynesia that they just kept the tea, T-I. It has so many uses. It is so forgiving. It is so strong. It's so pliable. I mean, it is an incredible plant. Green leaf, primarily. You have red. You have variegated, pink and green, and they are so beautiful. But I once wanted to make a red tea leaf lei, and someone said no, it stinks.
So the different reasons why you give somebody a lei, you to express affection, to welcome them. What else?
Yeah, it is just a show of affection.
So for graduation, it's a big celebration. So you start with a Miley leaf lei, and then kids just get piled high up to their
eyebrows. Yeah,
up to their eyebrows. They can
this.
barely see.
I've seen tea leaf that has the Pele's hair twined around it, and it's so beautiful. You have pikaki, you have plumeria, you have puakini, you have orchid leis, you have, some people make ribbon lei, and they're very beautiful. Anything that you can twist or string or knot, and then you put it into a lei. Or in this case, we're going to make tea that just ropes around you, but it's not connected at the bottom.
Okay.
Okay, so based on the way I do it, I pick, or I cut 6 of these leaves. So you have 6 whole leaves, and then we're going to be removing this back spine. That's going to be giving you 12 half leaves, and that is going to make a lei that hangs down, it wraps around your neck, and it hangs down almost to your waist. So I'm going to be, some people can snap the back of this and then peel the spine. I cannot do that. So I just use, I'm going to use Kelly's scissors. You just cut one side right up the spine. There's one. And then flip it over and I do the same. And you don't have to be exact, because the scissors have a tendency to want to go this way. Just bring them back. And once you get up here, then you can. Okay, now any of the imperfection, you just cut that off. So now you've got one leaf. And you did that to every single one of them.
I wipe down the leaf.
That's good to hear.
I've twisted several of my lei the wrong way, and if you do it the wrong way, it unravels.
Oh.
So I have then started again, and no harm, no foul.
Yeah.
Turned out beautiful. Okay, now Kel's
tearing it, but I was worried that tearing it might not be.
Yeah, you don't want to
way
tear
go.
it. There are 3 ways that you can do this next part. Okay. Okay. These have all been frozen. So I just packaged them up. So there should be, what, 6? I stack them. I fold them like this. Fold them like that. Put them into plastic. Stick them in the freezer. That's the easiest way of processing it, because you want them to be really, really pliable. Taking your tips, pointies.
Does it matter which tip?
I just get the thinnest end,
Okay.
and I twist it a little bit, but
Two
you're
of
going to
them.
make just a square knot.
You need 2 of them?
You need 2, because you're going to tie them together. Anyway, okay, tie it once, and then you're making a square knot. Just
Twist it first?
don't have to.
Okay. And then a square knot.
Yeah, and then you have that nice little knot.
Oh, I should have longer tails.
Yeah. Yeah. Because it's just twisting and then adding in, twisting, adding in.
When I make a square knot, I always remember my Girl Scouts. It's like left over right, right over left.
See, and I never knew that.
Okay, I've
And then make
knotted
sure
it.
it's tight. The twist part goes over.
Yes. And then you just keep twisting away from the center. That goes over, the other one goes under.
So so with the right, you're always twisting with your right hand, and then you twist for a while, and then you go over the other one with your right as
Yeah,
well.
over the top, and then you pull that under.
Yeah. You're doing a great job,
Is
Kelly.
that what it is? Is about 3 twists per chain or?
Well, it probably could be in the beginning, but your leaf it goes like this, fat and then skinny. So the skinny part, you'll take fewer twists, and then the fat part you'll have to do maybe a few more. That's beautiful.
Go like that.
Yeah,
And then pinch it.
yep, and twist. That's it. Oh, now, try not to have a little dog underneath. Eating your tea.
Do I need to add them?
Yep. You need to add. Get a nice
So when you get as long as you want it to be,
right.
then you make another square knot?
Well, I just twist it and make any sort of a knot. I
Okay.
just want it to stop. I don't want it to
And you don't want it to unravel.
unravel. Exactly.
All right, here we are. We have our Ti Leaf Lei that Cindy taught us how to make. Cindy, thank you so much for
Yes.
for
Great
teaching us how to do it.
And
And
instructor.
Excellent students.
it was fun and pretty easy.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. Once you know how, right? So aloha,
Aloha.
and this is Divine Conversations. I'll see you next time.
Bye.